The Power List. Zimbabwe's 20 most influential people of 2025. In 2025, Zimbabwe is witnessing a massive shift in power, wealth, and cultural impact. From the boardrooms of London and Harare to the viral stages of the global arena, these are the individuals shaping the narrative of our nation. Whether you're tuning in for the tea or the inspiration, here are the 20 most influential Zimbabweans in 2025 who are moving the needle. The Global Trailblazers. 1. Kirsty Coventry. The Golden Girl has made history again. Following her historic bid and election in early 2025, Coventry has become one of the most powerful figures in global sports, serving as the president of the International Olympic Committee (IOC). She is currently Zimbabwe's most significant diplomat on the world stage. 2. Masiyiwa. The billionaire founder of Econet remains the blueprint for African success. In 2025, Masiyiwa is leading the continent's AI revolution, recently launching Africa's first AI factory through cassava technologies. His influence on digital infrastructure and education is unparalleled. 3. Prayzah. At just 26, Prayzah has become the face of Gen Z resilience and civic leadership. Having been awarded the 2025 German Africa Prize, she is a formidable advocate for constitutionalism, representing the voice of millions of young Zimbabweans. 4. Dr. Engineer Edzai Kacherekwa. Crowned the most influential CEO in Zimbabwe for 2025, the Doctor of Electricity is leading the charge in power transmission through Power Giants Africa, addressing the region's energy needs with technical excellence and massive corporate growth. The Culture Shapers and Hitmakers. 5. Prayzah. The king of contemporary Zim music remains untouchable. His ability to blend traditional sounds with modern production keeps him at the top of every corporate endorsement list and festival lineup. 6. Winky D. The Gaffer remains the country's most powerful social commentator. In 2025, his music continues to spark deep national conversations, proving that his influence goes far beyond the dance floor. 7. Holy 10. Love him or hate him, Masiyiwa dominates the digital space. With some of the highest social media engagement rates in the country, his influence on youth culture and the Zim hip-hop scene is a force of nature. 8. Saint Flau. The poet of the streets. His rise has been meteoric, and in 2025, he has solidified his position as a mainstay in the industry, bridging the gap between underground grit and mainstream success. 9. Shah. The Queen of Amapiano continues to fly the Zimbabwean flag high globally. Her 2025 collaborations with international stars have kept her at the forefront of the African music explosion. Digital icons and moguls. 10. Mufti Menk. With over 5 million followers on Instagram alone, the Harare-born cleric remains one of the most influential motivational figures on the planet, offering a message of peace and logic to a global audience. 11. Madam Boss Tyra Chikocho. Zimbabwe's comedy queen has successfully transitioned into a versatile global brand ambassador and actress. Her ability to move products and influence consumer trends is second to none in the Zim entertainment space. 12. Pokalo Nair. The Queen of Swagger remains the ultimate tastemaker. In 2025, her business empire in luxury retail continues to expand, and her influence on fashion and female entrepreneurship remains legendary. 13. Kiki Badass. The goddess of too much sauce is the undisputed queen of Zim hip-hop. Her unapologetic style and lyrical prowess have made her a symbol of female empowerment and creative independence. Sports and community leaders. 14. Sikander Raza. The heartbeat of Zimbabwean cricket. Raza's individual brilliance on the international field has single-handedly kept Zimbabwe competitive and brought a renewed sense of pride to the nation's sports fans. 15. Marvelous Nakamba. As the Warriors' captain at AFCON 2025, Nakamba's influence extends off the pitch through his foundation, which now supports the education of thousands of underprivileged children across Zimbabwe. 16. Elizabeth Tanya Masiyiwa. Now a powerhouse in her own right, she is transforming how young Zimbabweans access education through Akelo and Delta philanthropies, securing the future of the nation's workforce. The rising stars and game changers. 17. Master H. Bringing a fresh energy to the Zimdancehall scene, his Nawanadem movement has made him the most sought-after live performer of 2025. 18. Volts JT. The pioneer of the Jekka. Subgenre. His relatability and storytelling have made him a hero among the urban youth. 19. Feli Nandi. Her soulful voice and unique fashion sense have made her the darling of the Afrofusion scene, representing the sophisticated side of Zim culture. 20. DJ Fantan. The chill spot mastermind continues to be the gatekeeper of ghetto talent, discovering the stars of tomorrow and keeping the Zimdancehall heart beating. Chero TV exclusive tags. Hashtag Chero TV #ZimInfluencers 2025 Hashtag Zimbabwean Excellence Hashtag Zim Celebrities Hashtag Harare Updates Hashtag Kirsty Coventry Hashtag Strive Masiyiwa Hashtag Prayzah Hashtag WinkyD #ZimHipHop 2025 Hashtag Zim Music Hashtag Power List Zimbabwe Hashtag Proudly Zimbabwean #ZimDancehall 2025 #AFCON 2025 Warriors